Bye-bye, Batwings. Adios, arm fat. If you want to lose your arm fat, you want to keep watching. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. So today is really special because this is one of your favorite workouts ever. This is going to be a Batwings workout. So before we get into the workout, I just want to say a huge, massive, enormous thank you to all of you because my original Batwings video has had 3.8 million views, and that just blows my freaking mind. So I thank you 3.8 million times and so much more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put out brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So if you haven't already, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel for everyone. Click on that bell notification so you always know whenever I have a brand new video that goes live, and that's once a week. So like I said, I just want to say a huge thank you. This is a little sneak peek workout from inside my fitness program, Total Body Transformation. This is a little sneak peek of Batwings Palooza. You know, I gotta tell you, we've got over 170 full-length workouts inside of Total Body Transformation, and sometimes when it comes time to name those workouts, I get a little crazy, so this is kind of a weird name. But you're gonna love this little sneak peek because it really targets those arms so that you can feel fierce and sexy and on fire with your arms. So let's do it. Grab both weights in your hands now. You're gonna rotate the palms away from you, bicep curls here, and squeeze. And 3, very good. 4, and 5, excellent. And 6, 7, 8, good. 9, now lift those elbows away from your body, so higher arms here. More challenge, right? And 4, good. 5, excellent. 6, keep on going. 7, and 8, good. 9. So now let's go into a second position here. Go into a plie. Bring your arms up above your head. Get your elbows forward. You're gonna go back, squeeze it, and back, and squeeze it. So I'm giving you a little lower body and core here as we do this. And 5, 6, squeeze. 7, and 8, good. 9, now I want you to just bend halfway down, all the way up. Halfway down, all the way up. 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, and 8, good. 9, excellent. Okay, good. So just one hand is going to be down by your side. One arm is up here. You're going to inhale. As you bring that pinky up, I want you to just lean to the side. In, also a very cool dance move. And 4, good, that's it. 5, stay low in this plie. So we're really working that waist, really working the tricep. All good things, right? And 8, good. 9, stay down here and just press that pinky up, up. 3, that 2-pound weight feels pretty heavy, right? 7, 9, you're gonna do all that again. Up, lean, and 3, good. 4, keep it, so it's really controlled. You're not swinging that arm like a crazy person, right? Transformers, we're doing it with perfect form. And last one, stay here and just pulse that pinky up. 3, 4, I know my arm is shaking, how about you? 7, 8, 9, and we're gonna do that on the other side. So we're gonna go in, lean it, in, lean. 3, really pull in your belly so you're protecting that back, okay? 5, 6, that's it. 7, that pinky's up, palm is facing backwards. And last one, stay here, pulse it up. 2, oh yes, 3, and 5, I feel it, you feel it? 8, 9, we're gonna do it again, and in, and up. 2, I like this one, it's kind of dancey, right? And 4, good. 5, 6, 7, perfect, good job. 8, keep going. 9, and last one, stay here and pulse it up. Oh yes, 2, 3, and 5, we've got it. 7, 8, 9, okay, good. So standing up, get the elbows close to your body here so that the palms are face up here. You're gonna start here, and then you're gonna just have the thumbs up so that the heads of the weights are up. So we rotate here. 2, good. 3, 4, that's it, and 5, 6, keep your chest up, 8, 9, we're gonna do a second set like that, squeeze it, and 2, oh yes, and 3, and 4, good, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, good. Get those elbows close to your body, lift the elbows, lift them. Now, even just doing this because of all the work that we just did, you should be feeling your triceps here. And 8, the chicken, 9, let's add a little waist. We're gonna lean, and 3, that's it, 4, good, 5, belly's pulled in, 6, 7, 8, 9, you ready for the other side? Of course you are. Lean and lean, get those elbows up. 4, good, 5, oh yes, 6, keep going, 7, how those arms, 8, oh I feel them, 9, and good, so stay here, alternating kickbacks, kick back, keep your elbows high, back, and 5, good, 6, 7, 8, good, 9, excellent. So now it's going to be palms up, okay? So we're just switch the angle of our hands. 5, that's it, keep your elbows high, 7, good, 8, 9, perfect. Wasn't that so fun? You know, here's the thing with fitness. You know, it can be a total drag, I get it, but my whole philosophy and my mission is I want to make you sweat and smile so that you actually enjoy transforming your body. It absolutely is possible, and I know that because I see the Transformer tribe inside of Total Body Transformation having so much fun and making amazing friendships and shrinking their bodies into their most tight and toned bodies ever and feeling fierce, sexy, and strong. So if you want to join the party, definitely make sure to click on the link down below. You can learn everything that there is to learn about Total Body Transformation. Every single month you're going to get a brand new monthly done for you workout calendar. It's kind of like having me as your personal trainer like in your pocket. You'll get brand new workouts every month. We have special live events, and most importantly, you're going to get the Transformer Tribe, which is the best fitness community out there. I found Transformer Tribes. So that's what I've got for you today. Thank you once again for just being such an amazing part of my community over here on YouTube. You are absolutely awesome. And if you choose to join us over in TBT, aka Total Body Transformation, I will see you there. Okay, see you next week.